Hey there, I'm Alex with MailerLite, and today we're unlocking the magic of A/B testing. Now, if you're here and watching this video, you're probably wondering, what is A/B testing? Why does it matter? And why does your hair look like that? Two things. One, I just woke up and wanted to film this. And two, A/B testing lets you try two versions of an email to see which one your audience loves most. Think of it as your secret weapon for amazing results. At its core, A/B testing is all about comparing two versions of your email to see which one gets the best response. You can test the content or design, subject line, or even the sender name, but why go through all the effort? Because small changes can make a huge difference in your open rates, clicks, and sales. A/B testing takes the guesswork out of what works best for your specific audience. So let's say you're debating between two subject lines, with one being unlock 20% off your next order, and the other saying, your summer style upgrade starts here. Which will get more people opening your email? An A/B test is what you'd use to get the answer. To start, head over to your MailerLite dashboard and select Create Campaign. Then you'll click A/B Split Campaign. Now we get to the campaign details. You'll want to give your campaign a name first. This is just for your own reference and not something that your subscribers are going to see. All right, now the fun part. What are we testing? You can test your subject line, the from name, that's who your audience sees the email is coming from, the sending time, which lets you try sending the campaign at different times to see which one gets more engagement, or even the content inside. For this one, let's focus on the all-important subject lines. After all, they can make or break whether someone even opens your email. Type in your subject lines and then move on. Now for the recipients. Here, you'll choose the lucky group who gets to experience your A/B test. Make sure you select one that has a large enough sample size to give real results. A bigger sample size gives you clearer results, so this way, you can confidently say, wow, subject line A really resonated with my audience. With this sort of testing, the larger the group, the better. The minimum for setting up an A/B test campaign in MailerLite is 4 subscribers, and while that sample size is still quite small, do what works best for you. There are some more advanced options on the right, like campaign language and tracking. We'll dive into those another time. With that said, click Next, Content. For now, we'll select a template for our campaign, leave the design as is, then click Done Editing, and head straight on to A/B Settings. Here, you have the option to select the sample size of your test group. This is the portion of subscribers that you'll use to see whether version A or version B gets more opens. You want to make sure you have enough subscribers receiving either version to give a realistic result, because the version that wins here will impact the open rate for the rest of your subscribers. You can pick the winner by clicks or opens, and since we're testing subject lines, let's focus on opens. Next, think about how long you want this test to run, and you want to give it enough time for a good chunk of your audience to see it. On the review page, you can do the usual test email and last-minute tweaks if needed. And then below all that, you'll have the option to send your email now or schedule it for later. If you want to analyze the results of your campaign, head back to your dashboard and either click View Report if it was your latest campaign, or click on Campaigns, navigate to the Sent tab, and find your campaign. Click View Report and voila, your results will be there. Take the best performing campaign and use it to inform your next email campaign. This ensures that next time you send a campaign, you'll know exactly what your audience loves, boosting open rates and forging stronger connections. And that's how you create an A/B split campaign in MailerLite. To summarize, we covered what an A/B test is, how to set up your own tests, and how to turn those results into email marketing gold. Just remember, practice makes perfect. Well, better, at least. We all have those occasional bad hair days, even in email. So keep playing with A/B testing and you'll become an email marketing pro. Until next time, happy emailing and may the open rates be ever in your favor. Remember to like and subscribe for more of the best tips in email marketing.